Welcome to Shine Seating, and this is the home page and the latest version of our seating template. And this is the home page, and it has the admin corner and the user corner. Before using before getting used by the user corner, the admin should enter the hall design, that is the hall number and the branches. Here you can enter the hall numbers, and generally these details are fixed, and you can contact shinesexcel for making any changes. And here you can enter up to 10 departments. If it is a school, you can enter up to 10 classes. If you want to increase this count, you can contact us. So after entering these details, click next. It takes you to the name list page, and this is the same page which is found in this home page, students name entry. Here you can enter the name, roll number and class, that is to which department they belong to. And there are a lot of more other options. If you want it, we can add it. And you are going to enter the name of all the students, and here you can enter nearly 1,000 students. After that, click home. So that's all. On the day of exam or before the day of exam, start here and enter the day, enter the month, year, and the section and the name of the exam and your college name. And here enter all the subject names. I just enter it as subject 1, subject 2, and so on. So I have entered just subject 10. And if as per the record found there, the count comes automatically here, and you can enter the time slots if it is forenoon or afternoon. Click next. It takes you to the seating page. Here it displays the remaining students. So for department 1 there are 48 students, and here it displays the number of seats to be filled in this hall, and it is 36. So I'm making it as 18 and 18 for department 1 and 18 for department 2. That's it. So all the head is completely filled automatically. And now I'm moving to the next hall. Here the same thing, 18, and here there are only 14. I enter those 14 students, and still 1 2 3 4 seats are remaining, so I fill extra 4 students. Yes, all are filled. So this is just for sample, and let me show you the print setup of this page, and see here how it looks when you print this page. This is the page 1, page 2. You can save it as also as PDF. Now I'm moving to the home page, and I want to print the attendance sheets. This is the attendance sheet, as I haven't entered the code. If you have the code, you can enter there, and the subject 1 is displayed there. And see here it displays total number of pages to print is 6. As usual, print, and let me show you the print preview of this. This is the first page, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So totally 6 pages could be printed, and all the students have come here. And this is the basic design which we have. And if you want to change the design to your requirement, you can contact us. It is very easy to make. And now I'm going to the home page, and you can take the overall print also. Here you have the filters. I'm going to filter all the zeros. Yes, we got it. As usual, Control P and open in preview, and this is how your overall seating looks. Next, there is one more option, that is a question paper count. This is the place where, as per your details, it displays for department 1 in lecture hall. That is a hall 1, 18 students for subject 1, 18 for subject 2. So this is how we displays the things. If you want any other features or any other thing to add in this page, you can do that. And these are the 4 features: seating plan, attendance sheet, overall seating, and hall-wise question paper count. And this is our latest version. For details, you can contact us, and all the details are available in the description.